In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type in Google Classroom. This platform has become a staple in educational environments around the world, making it essential for both teachers and students to navigate it efficiently. Whether you're new to Google Classroom or just looking for a refresher, this guide will take you through every step to ensure you're comfortable typing and interacting within your classes. Let's start with the very first step, opening your preferred web browser. Head over to google.com. Google's homepage is the gateway to all its services, including Google Classroom. Once you're there, you'll notice a Sign In button located at the top right corner of your screen. Click on that to proceed. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. This is an important step because Google Classroom operates under the Google suite of tools tied to your personal or institution-provided Google account. Make sure you select the account associated with your educational institution or the one you intend to use for educational purposes. Next, you'll be asked to type in your password. Remember, this step is crucial for protecting your privacy and securing your personal information, so always make sure you're entering your password on the legitimate Google sign-in page. Once your password is entered, click Next to proceed. You might have to go through a two-step verification process, depending on your account's security settings. This extra step ensures that your account remains secure and accessible only to you. After successfully logging in, direct your attention towards the Google Apps menu, which is symbolized by a grid of dots located at the top right corner of your screen, beside your account icon. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu showcasing various Google apps and services available to you. Look for the Google Classroom icon, usually represented by a chalkboard symbol, and select it. Upon selecting Google Classroom, you'll be redirected to the Classroom home screen, where all your classes are displayed. If you're enrolled in multiple classes or teaching several classes, they will all be listed here. Now navigate to your specific classroom by clicking on it. Each classroom is a separate entity with its dedicated stream, classwork, and people sections. Inside your selected classroom, it's time to start typing. Whether you're contributing to a discussion, submitting an assignment, or just leaving a comment for your class to see, locate the text field where you wish to input your text. Your cursor will blink, indicating it's ready for you to start typing. This is your chance to communicate, share insights, or ask questions, so make sure your message is clear and appropriate for the classroom setting. After typing your message, it's essential to share it with the class or the instructor. This is where the Post button comes into play. Click on it, and your text will be immediately visible to others in the class. It's a simple yet powerful feature that facilitates communication and collaboration within Google Classroom. A few additional tips to make your Google Classroom experience smoother. Always double check which class you're posting in before sending a message to avoid any mix-ups. If you're working on a longer piece of text, consider drafting it in a document to spell check before posting. Google Classroom allows for easy attachment of Google Docs, making it seamless to share longer documents or assignments. To recap, we've taken a journey from logging into Google through to posting in a specific Google Classroom. Each step is designed to help you navigate the interface with ease, enabling you to focus more on your learning or teaching and less on the technicalities of the platform. Google Classroom is a powerful tool for educational collaboration, and mastering these basics is the first step towards leveraging its full potential. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and experiment within your classroom settings. Whether it's for asking questions, completing assignments, or simply engaging with your educational community, Google Classroom facilitates a connected learning environment for everyone involved. Thank you for following along in today's tutorial. Whether you're continuing your education or facilitating the learning of others, these steps will ensure you're well prepared to type and engage in Google Classroom. See you in the next video, where we'll cover more tips and tricks to enhance your online educational experience.